Shall we space for the other? I'm in the front and I can't be pushing you from front. They need air now. Henry, how are you?
iNEC is fraudulent. Give us our original result. Give us our original result. We want you iNEC is fraudulent. Let them know that we are angry. They cannot deceive us. iNEC is fraudulent. Damn! Thief! Bring that money book. Festus! May Agbamuche! All of you. We don't be. Now what we go spend here? No, one more set. Where you want us? After election. We're not using what here? 1 month.
Now they find way back. Na barricade there.
They deceived us.
I came back to Abuja, my results was not uploaded. There was no election. There was go to their voting, we need them to count
So, Daniel, obviously the PDP is protesting today. Are you guys protesting for the total cancellation of the result, or? But has the PDP been able to actually look at the data and pinpoint where exactly this rigging and massive disenfranchisement took place?
That's why 7 days after the election results are announced, the violence has been announced still in this country. There's no celebration people aside of this country because for the first time in Nigeria you have the highest population of voters, the voters of yet to get it right.
Now, if your principal has said that he's going to go to court, now some would argue, wouldn't he then go to court? Why the protest then? How do you marry the two?
I'm telling not just the iNEC but the entire world to understand that it is critical that democracy is safe in Africa and Nigeria.
How long do you think this protest should last?
We are going to continue that's why we can start the protest at the after 1 week so we can prepare. Whatever you want to do is what to do.
Thank you very much.
I didn't see you. Salute.
Genji Media London. Okay, what's your name, sir? Okay, so why are you guys joining the protest? Yeah. And you think the PDP won this election?
PDP won 85%.
How many percent?
85%.
Do you have data to back that up?
Yes, of course.
So what's the total number the PDP won with? If you
I see my member, and I have 12 million members, at least 6 million voters to come forward. But they have wives, they have in-law, they have brothers and sisters, all go to PDP.
Okay.
And I'm here to claim a mandate. Because I want to be a minister. You can see me, I go there, I want to be a minister. Let me give you information. It's not like people workers here on protest. About 15 children are here with us. My father there has a tailor. I think children are here. The only man that I can afford to lead this country. Don't deceive Nigeria, please. We are here and I will not live here. This and not as the president.
And I believe when you talked about being a minister, I reckon because you are the Okada riders, you're probably angling for the Minister of Transportation. Is that correct?
Yes, of course. So that I can make transport sit like this.
Okay.
I'm calling, I'm going to make to all other political parties that believe that this election was rigged. You never sit in the sideline and watch your right to be there. So we challenge them to we are going to peaceful protest as well. And we will continue with this request. Give us our mandate. Flew to London. I have members in London.
Always on point.
I have members in London.
Hey.
So we can see that the PDP have all come out and they are protesting. They're protesting that they said they won the election. And some people will say that's laughable, but again, that's what they believe in. And they called out on Nigerians to all come out and they join them in the protest. As you can see, we are still here at the iNEC headquarters in Abuja, right? Yeah, good day. Sorry. Thank you. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Temperature or hot? Okay. Oh, he came here before. Okay. So they are going.
Only if I can put up a submit the letter of protest, march down to this place. Yeah, no, amen.
It's short. It's okay for Abuja. Oh, yeah, Kaburu. Yeah, Kaburu. See, okay, I will go. But I will go to Labour office. I can invite you to the High Court. It's never because I need to see him. I need to wait for something in Taka Square.
These are very far, eh? Where's the Hilton? We'll look at the
I'm going to agree. I'm going to agree. Peter, man.
I think we'll try it. And the two, television in the nobody will let you live.
So, ladies, can you speak to us? Why did you join the protest, ma'am? You want justice. So you feel you've not been given justice by the vote you casted? Yeah?
Our votes have not truly represented the desires of the people.
Okay. And are you local in Abuja? What's the name? Na kai pocho ebe. Oh, even he had the name actually. That high court, the other side. Get naku. Get naku. Huh? What's the time? It's 10 minutes to 1. Nto ikpali ndị PDP na mbido mebe ụmụazị a yi akwa interview. Chairman, you joined the protest. Why are you the protest? Hello, Chairman, come. You joined protest. Why are you the protest? For Atiku, right? Okay. So you believe Atiku won the election?
It's not funny, it's funny, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny. Is it funny? No, it's not funny.
Madam Police Officer, I like this your cap. Whether police will give me that kind of cap, dash me one.
If you join police, we'll give you.
If I as police come be my friend, and I know if you give me one.
Anyhow, you enter.
Hey, madam, he said make I enter police before you go give me that cap. Can I speak to him if you don't mind? What is your impression about the rally today or the protest or whatever today? Okay, you can't say anything. Okay. Huh?
I'm online television now. All the money will leave like 50 million naira. Recruit to experts, no office, train.
Everybody know they are. In Lagos, Enugu, Abuja. You understand? Lagos, Enugu, Abuja. That's my target. So, guys, you can see the protest. Oh, no, man, they can't hit what they do me. The protest by the PDP was short. You can see I asked the police officer to give me the cap, but she refused. Anyway, she said if I join the police, they will give me. And this is Njenje Media TV reporting live from Abuja. You can see that the PDP are protesting that they won the election. That is their own, that they won the election. So Atiku Abubakar came with the party chairman, Iyesho Ayu, and the former party, PDP party chairman, the guy from Rivers, and they all submitted a letter. They are dispersed. So the protest lasted slightly less than an hour, but it was quick and surgical. No matter what Nigerians think, there is one simple thing that happened today, and mine always want to go to the streets and brief you. I'll have to then go to the streets where the people are and ask them questions and see what they will say. Let me go to the plantain sellers. I call them the grassroots people, the real people that are everywhere when I ask them questions. Okay. So let's go, people. You see, madam say, make I dey go. You why you no join protest? Why you no one join protest? Why you dey vex? You dey cook food, you dey say you want chop. No be you dey cook am. Wetin you dey use money do? You go buy, you do transfer now. Abba, madam. If I buy now, no be POS I go do pay. Madam, if I buy this thing now, no be you dey take transfer ba? Na transfer I go do. So if I can't do transfer, you say no money. You go to bank now when. No, you they want cash. You they want cash. But you see PDP they protest, right? But you know one join the protest. I mean, you know vote PDP. You know vote PDP. but now the vote go bring the vote. Vote they count though. So who did you vote? Who did you vote? You say no, they ask you. Eh? Okay. In that case, make we talk to people. Real people where matter. See, wait, now joint now the people where they sit down, they eat, now them matter now. Eh? I be you and I no matter. You see people. I dey greet all of us. See am now. As soon I don't see as PDP they protest, what do you think? No. But the come be like say as all of Natanda here, no be say no be PDP na vote. Who you vote? The lady where they smile, they smile lebolatically. Not lebolatically, they smile. Some of the way they cook food, they say they're hungry. That one no follow it out. Need your open, your pampe, your kuda. And I will say, Nigeria don't go digital.
As network, no, our Zenith Bank and our GT Bank, how do we transfer our money from our Zenith Bank to our
Digital overnight.
Abi? Overnight digital. That will make sense, sure. Anyway, make I leave una. Una do. Say no overnight digital. So guys, you see? Where my friend we've been there here before. Where that guy? I dey look for him. The guy make too much sense. Corporation! How you doing? Good day. You see him? The guy I don't see him. See him Nadine? Why you they say no hope? No be protest that they do.
Anybody trusting court is wasting his time in Nigeria. As far as I'm concerned, Nigerian court is basic.
Hold on.
Do you have hope?
Come on. Chairman, you know join PDP do protest. Why?
No, vote for me.
Oh, you dey wait to make Obi can't do protest.
Do you have hope? I dey wait for Labour Party. I vote for. And I dey win.
Now they win. So you believe say they go it's good to go court, abi no good to make them go.
Go court.
So if you dey good to go court, why you no follow them go protest? So when there will be protest, you go close your shop. Where you vote? For Dede. And you don't see your vote. You don't go iNEC portal, go look her. You see her? Now 251. People say that they will not know safe saying that heaven they cry.
Heaven cry.
But iNEC been tell us say make we calm down, say they get everything under control.
Why PDP they do now? It's too late. Why didn't they do it a day after the election?
Okay, come now. What do you mean PDP? So what do you mean? You mean PDP is not PDP is supposed not to do a protest or what?
Of course, now what I'm saying in essence, a country like Nigeria where you have civilized people, after the election, 2 days is enough to do. We have seen other Western world. Look at Kenya. After they declared this man winner, the Uhuru Kenyatta, they protested immediately. So to me, actually, this presidential election, with what I witnessed in Abuja and the calls I make all over Nigeria, Peter Obi, as far as I'm concerned, won the presidential election. I don't have hope in the judiciary of Nigeria because the judiciary of Nigeria has been compromised, totally compromised. You see politicians carry bags of money, sharing for judges. Me as a human being, I don't have hope in the judiciary of Nigeria.
Don't kill this nation.
So for your own be saying that Peter Obi win the election?
Correct, absolutely correct.
So as PDP they protest now, what do they tell them?
To me, PDP protest is absolutely of no use. Yes, even though they are claiming they are second, all these election results you saw was totally manipulated. We saw so many videos. iNEC officials sit down in a room
writing result. My own brother worked as an ad hoc staff with iNEC in Cross River State. He told me what politicians would do with iNEC. Gather them inside one room, give them money, pump everything they will pump, and that is Nigeria election. I don't trust anybody in Nigeria election. All of them are crooks. iNEC officials are compromised. Resident electoral commissioner, how can a resident electoral be visiting a person who is contesting for Senate in his house? Draw his car, go to the house. If you are a true iNEC official, you remain neutral. Don't go to any politician house. But what do you see in Nigeria? Everything is manipulated. I don't believe in judiciary. That is me for you.
Wow. And what's your name? Come.
My name is Mr. Michael Adams.
Okay.
And I work in National Assembly as a staff.
Wow, thank you.
The question we should be asking iNEC chairman, what takes him to Tinubu's house? That is number one question.
But it's not confirmed that he went to Tinubu's house.
Number two question, where is the money that Nigeria proved for electoral act? Where is the money? Today is giving us a manual. Do we bargain for manual voting? He is. If I were Buhari, I will bring him down first. Because no future for Nigeria. Yes, I said so. No future for Nigeria.
So, Oga, what's your take? No, we are talking about the PDP. We are protesting and about the. So, do you agree that it is good for PDP to protest, or what's your view?
My own thinking and what I saw. This election has been done according to the Electoral Act and also fair and credible election.
So you think the election was credible?
It's credible. Because we have to know that if God say yes, nobody will say no.
Yeah, but God does not
we
vote.
Know there is some mistake that is done, in this election. But for us to condemn the whole election is a very unfortunate for us. We have to know that every election must be like that. Somebody will be happy.
Yeah, but have you ever witnessed an election in Nigeria where election is announced and nobody is jubilating that you have a new president? Did you jubilate that you have a new? So why? It's because exactly. So if people are not satisfied, you know when Yaradua won, Nigerians went on the street. You know when Goodluck Jonathan won, Nigerians went on the street. You know when Buhari won, Nigerians were trekking from Kano to Lagos. But this one, yes, but this one. But in 2015, APC was oppositional. No, in 2015, APC was in the opposition. So they and when they won, everything. Let's see. Come and do it.